YouTube channel. My name is Morgana Marie. I'm a master energy healer and neurodivergent leadership coach. Using various tools and my own process called the Neuro-Genius Mind Matrix program to help people like yourself to have the success and the happiness without sacrificing who you are. Whether you work in an organization or whether you have your own business, I'm here to help you to leverage your abilities and step into your greatness. If you haven't done so already, please give this video a like and do subscribe to this channel, as it helps me to create more impact in the world and get my message out there. So in this video, we're going to talk about overcoming burnout for neurodivergent and highly sensitive individuals, how to reclaim your energy and passion. I'm going to describe really the symptoms and the signs that you must be aware of to notice whether you may have burnout yourself or you are close to burnout, because this is something I have personally struggled with in my life. How to prevent it is absolutely key to helping you to stopping overwhelm, reducing the fatigue. Who wants to have fatigue? And contracting your life. Burnout contracts your life and your living and your joy. But you don't have to live this way. Do you find yourself commonly overwhelmed, easily stressed? Maybe you feel anxious like all the time. Are you overthinking a lot about things? Do you struggle with your sleep? You can't settle? Do you find that you have issues with your eating? Maybe your eating habits aren't the healthiest. Do you look at your body and judge it, shame it, wishing it could be better? Do you find yourself exhausted after you've had conversations with people? Maybe you go into a busy space, networking, or your environment at work, and you just feel wiped out. Would you like to move from emotional exhaustion, feeling like you're older than you are, and being overstimulated, having your senses triggered and activated all the time? Would you like to move from perfectionism to feeling like you are enough, that you are worthy enough? Would you like to be able to engage and socialize without pressure, with ease and calm and joy, actually, where you can have interactions with people and it energizes you, where you can have clients that come to you and you get energized by working with them? Would you like to work in an environment where you're energized and you're not drained at the end of the day? So these are all the tick points in which you're going probably, yes, 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 I would like some of that, I would like some of that, I would like some of that. Let's move into changing this now. So the first step is self-awareness. You have to be self-aware. We're so quick to go into conclusion of why you're feeling tired, why you feel the way that you do. Lack of awareness creates the burnout. Take an observational, higher, bird's eye view of yourself through this self-awareness, and this will help you to understand how you're functioning. What are you committing to or overcommitting to? What are you saying yes to that you wish you hadn't said yes to? What are you doing in your life that is creating the burnout? Be willing to ask questions. Be willing to be self-aware. What's causing you to feel anxious? Be willing to ask your body, what do you need from me? What are you showing me? The only reason the body experiences pain and tension and quite often chronic fatigue and autoimmune disorders and allergies, etc., is because that's a manifestation of an unacknowledged message that your body is trying to communicate to you. Are you listening? How do you listen? You be present and you work on yourself. You're here right now watching this video. You're working on yourself. You're learning. It takes some time to learn and understand how to reconnect with your body's messages and your signals, and how to also understand what triggers are coming up for you. That trigger needs to be acknowledged and understood and addressed. What is a trigger? You may have a time when you're chatting to someone and all of a sudden you feel this sharp pain in your body, or it's like someone's pressed a raw spot or a sore spot. That is a trigger. It's an emotional feedback that your body is saying, hang on a second, we need to look at this here. There's some information here that I need to give you. When you're able to connect your triggers, acknowledge them and listen, you heal. You're able to move through them and learn from them. Your body is so wise. Your body is your best teacher. It's always showing you what you need to understand and acknowledge so you can move forwards. So that's an emotional example. Emotional intelligence is key here. To be able to acknowledge your triggers, connect to your body, have compassion for every part of yourself, and listen in to the messages underneath. So right now, I'll show you how I would do this. I would close my eyes, take a deep breath in through my nose, and tune in to my heart, which feels quite tight today, I must say. There's a lot of energy moving through me right now. I've been doing a lot of work around my heart chakra. So I asked my body, what is the message here? Show me. So my body is saying you're a bit uptight and you need to relax and trust yourself. And with that being said, how would you feel lighter? Is there any further information that you would like to give me, body? Come back and connect with me. I'm living too much from my head, my do-do head. Do you recognise that one? So if you find yourself doing, it's time to come back to just being. Be in the moment. Go for a walk. Go and connect with nature. And then through that, you feel so much more grounded, more energized. Naturally, nature is energizing. It will help you to feel more revitalized. It will literally cleanse your soul. I have never gone out into nature and felt worse. I've always gone out into nature and felt 10 times better. So use nature as a catalyst to help you to energize yourself and clear your energy field. We will do a clearing of your energy field at the end of this video, so do stay tuned. If you haven't done so already, do give this video a like, share and subscribe to anyone that you know would benefit from hearing this. I honestly believe that so many empaths out there, neurodivergent people, need these daily tools. I honestly don't know how people function in their life without these basic tools of awareness to keep your energy